flexibility. AI will determine the best shape, size, and even the placement of windows for optimal natural light. It ensures that the structure is not only practical but also harmonious with its surroundings. Section 4. Underwater cities. A concrete future. This technology has the potential to revolutionize marine construction. We could build entire cities beneath the waves.
Imagine self-sustaining underwater habitats powered by ocean currents, or research stations studying the deep sea, built right on the ocean floor. The possibilities are as limitless as the ocean itself.
Section 5. A wave of change, the impact of AI concrete. In recent years, the construction industry has seen a revolutionary shift with the introduction of AI-driven technologies. One of the most groundbreaking advancements is AI concrete, especially in underwater construction. The benefits of AI-driven underwater concrete are huge. First, it's incredibly efficient. Traditional methods often require extensive time and resources, but AI concrete streamlines the entire process. Structures can be built much faster and with less waste. This efficiency not only saves time, but also significantly reduces the environmental footprint of construction projects.
Second, it's cost-effective. By leveraging AI, we can optimize material usage and reduce labor costs. We eliminate the need for expensive underwater welding and human labor. This not only cuts costs, but also enhances safety by reducing the need for human divers in hazardous conditions. And finally, it's environmentally friendly. AI concrete uses sustainable materials and innovative techniques to minimize waste. Traditional concrete production is a major source of pollution. The carbon footprint of conventional methods is substantial. AI concrete minimizes this by using sustainable materials and reducing waste. This shift towards greener practices is crucial for the future of our planet.
This is just the beginning. The potential for AI in construction is vast and largely untapped. As AI and material science advance, we can expect even more incredible underwater creations. Imagine entire cities beneath the waves, built with precision and sustainability in mind. The future of construction is here. It's innovative, efficient, and environmentally conscious, and it lies beneath the waves. The integration of AI in underwater construction is not just a technological advancement, it's a step towards a more sustainable and efficient future.